Oh hello there, my name is XXXBeanGamer. Today I will be showing you how to convert a Python script to exe. First, open your favorite IDE. This sure is taking a while. Okay, so when it's ready, make a new project and call it whatever you like. I called this one bruh just for the heck of it. Next, go over to the sidebar on the left, right-click the folder, and create a new Python file. After that, create a simple Python script. Here, I'm making it so that it displays a hello world message and waits for the user to press any key. When you're done with that, open up the terminal on the bottom right and enter pip install PyInstaller. Afterwards, without leaving the terminal, type pyinstaller.exe-1 file, and then your Python file's name. Make sure to include the .py as well. As you can see, the command generated two folders. Go ahead and open the project in File Explorer and enter the dist directory. There it is. It works exactly like a regular Python script. Thanks for watching. Peace.